It's a home game for the Huskers this Saturday with Illinois, and this might be the perfect recipe to enjoy. It's going to be a chili tailgate.
I know.
And so this is quick and easy, and it's also a skinny recipe.
Yes,
right?
it is. So instead of sour cream, we're using Greek yogurt.
All right. So skinny Southwest chicken appetizer.
Yeah. So we're going to start with this, and we're going to dump in some chili powder, garlic powder, and onion powder.
Put this in first.
We're just going to do it in the bowl first.
Oh.
Actually. Yeah. We're getting real official here.
There was panic here in the studio. I was going to do this wrong. So just dump all this in.
Yep.
Okay, and then stir it together here.
Stir it all together. Okay. So you got 1 teaspoon of chili powder, a half a teaspoon of garlic and onion powder.
Okay.
So
great. And this is kind of our dip part.
This is what's going to give us the Southwest flavor.
Ooh,
so it should be pretty delicious.
Okay, I'm going to do a good job here. What happens after this? When I'm
we are going to start with some shredded chicken. Now, you know, it is Thanksgiving coming up, so if you've got some leftover white meat, you probably could make this with some turkey as well.
Like turkey breast.
So yeah, some leftovers that you're real sick of eating by about, day 2.
So now this is okay?
You can dump that in there, yes.
I can, okay. Alrighty. Make sure I get all of that in there. Okay, perfect. And then we start adding?
Chicken, yes. Okay. We got some chicken, we got some red peppers.
Okay, I'll let you stir maybe.
I'll stir.
Dump.
Perfect.
Okay. Red peppers.
Red peppers.
You could use green or whatever pepper you like, probably.
It's kind of put whatever's left over in your fridge, really.
That's true. All right, and then some corn.
It is harvest. Throw some corn in there. Why not?
Okay.
Got some black beans as well.
Ooh. Probably drain those off, right?
Yep. And then we got some tomatoes.
Okay.
Some green onion.
All right.
And just a pinch of salt to taste. So if you don't like salt, you don't have to use it.
Don't have to put that much in.
Yeah.
Just kind of what you think.
Correct. So mix it up.
And then we just put it here to serve?
Yeah, and then it's ready to serve.
Okay, great.
So
I'll put some out right here.
Try it with some leftover turkey. Or you got some chicken.
Do you need to chill this at all, Melissa, to kind of have the flavors blend?
Yes, I think ideally you can eat it, after you've chilled it a little bit. But if you're too hungry, go ahead and dive in, I say.
Great. All right, I'm going to dive in right now.
Perfect.
Give it a try. All right, here we go. Very good.
Good.
I like it. I like the mix.
Yes, Greek yogurt. You can hardly taste the difference between sour cream and Greek yogurt.
All right, John, we do have this recipe on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page already, and I'll send it back to you.